All characters depicted are fictional. Any resemblance to you or your friends is purely and completely coincidental.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my perfect life. It really is grand. My children are getting straight A's. I never have to remind them to brush their teeth. And my husband wants to talk about my feelings whenever I want. But I remember a time when it wasn't that way. Nothing seemed to be going right. My husband would come home from work and say, "Lost another account." "Don't want to talk about it. I'll be in the basement watching the game." Oh, and then my neighbor, who thinks she knows everything, said, "I have the most fabulous housekeeper. You really must try her." So I hired her, and one day I see her use the same sponge in my kitchen that she used to clean the bathroom. And so I ask her, "Why would you use the same sponge in my kitchen that you used to clean the bathroom?" And she said, "I've been doing it like this for years, and no one has ever complained." As if that wasn't bad enough, because she wasn't insured and we didn't withhold payroll taxes, I was liable when she claimed she tripped over the vacuum cleaner and hurt herself.
Are you an independent house cleaner? Have you accidentally tripped over a vacuum cleaner and hurt yourself? Do customers fail to withhold payroll taxes on your behalf? Then you could be owed lots of money. Call today and we'll help you get the money that you so rightfully deserve. Call now, 617-447-2228. That number again is 617-447-2228. Call now.
That was the last straw. I had to hire a professional, and I had to do it fast. So I called MaidPro, and I've never seen the house so clean. I don't know how they do it. It's like they have an exclusive trademark on elbow grease.
In fact, MaidPro really does hold the official federal trademark for elbow grease, granted by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Federal Trademark Serial 78471-626, registration 3004315.
And as if elbow grease and their work ethic wasn't enough, MaidPro's 49-point checklist makes sure nothing is missed. They listened to my specific needs and created a customized cleaning that works for my home. And if I ever want to make a change or have special requests, it's never a problem. And my relationship with the local manager and Gina, my cleaning person, is great. And because MaidPro cares about protecting my home and my family, they conduct background checks, they hire legal workers who are insured, and they withhold payroll taxes. But best of all, MaidPro guarantees that my home will be cleaned the way I like it.
Hey, honey.
Hi.
I got the account. I made reservations. Let's go to dinner and talk about your feelings.
I told you life was perfect.
While we can't guarantee your spouse will want to talk about your feelings, we can guarantee your home will be clean to your satisfaction. Call 877-MaidPro and a representative will help you develop your customized MaidPro Clean, or look us up online at maidpro.com. So you too can have a perfect life.
We lost another account today.
I lost 2 of them.
Nice, dude. Cheers. Yeah.
MaidPro's 47, and their work ethic isn't enough. Oh my God!
Thousands of dollars. Say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. You could be owed. Come on. Is that it?
That was it.